Today, May 13, 2022, Samsung launches the Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. The tech giant Samsung has quietly launched its newest Android tablet, the Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, 2022, in Italy. The device is now ready for pre-orders on Amazon Italy website and will start shipping on May 23, 2022. Key features of Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. 10.4-inch LCD display with a resolution of 2000 by 1200 pixels with support for the S Pen. S Pen comes bundled with the product, as does the charger. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite is powered by a Snapdragon 720G chipset coupled with 4GB RAM. It offers 64GB of native storage and is backed by a 7040 mAh battery. As for the sound, Samsung has given two AKG-tuned speakers with Dolby Atmos support. There is a 3.5mm audio jack too. So, with upgrade version, users will get Android 12 on this device instead of Android 10. The new Galaxy Tab S6 Lite is also priced €20 more than its predecessor for the 4GB plus 64GB variant, with the cost being €399. But since this is the newer version, the Android tablet is set to receive updates and security patches for far longer than its predecessor, not to mention Android 13 at some point in the future.